Hello guys, welcome to our channel Learn Maths Iga Imibare. We have a question about mathematical induction. Prove by induction that 7 power 2n plus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 8 for all values of n which are positive. We have 7 power 2n plus 1 then plus 1 here. For n, our n here is positive. It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, to any value of n. Let's start from n which is equal to 0. For n which is 0, we have 7 power 2 into 0 plus 1 plus 1. This is 7, 2 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, plus 1. This is 7 plus 1 plus 1, and this is 8. We know what that 8 is divisible by 8 because 8 by 8 is 1. Let's have n which is 1. For n which is 1, we have 7 power 2 times 1 plus 1 then plus 1. We have 7 power 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 3. Sorry, 2 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 3 plus 1. Here 7 power 3 can be equal to 7 times 7 times 7. That is 49 times 7. 7 times 9 is 63. And 7 times 8 is 24. 28 positive 6, that is 34. Here is, this is 343 plus 1, this is 344. This 344 is divisible by 8, that is because it is 344 by 8 is 43. This is 344 by 8 is 43. This is divisible by 3 as this is divisible by 3. For n which is k, we have 7 power 2k plus 1 plus 1. This has to be divisible by 8 according to the steps above. For n which is equal to k plus 1, we have 7 power 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 here, then plus 1. This is equal to 7 power 2k plus 2 plus 1. What do we have here? This is equal, let's have 7 power 2k plus, let's start from 1, but here is plus 1. Let's start from 1 plus 2 and then plus 1. How possible is this divisible by 8? Let's check it. This is equal to 7 for 2k plus 1 times 7 for 2 from the property that a power m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n, then plus 1 here. What is this? 7 power 2 is 49. This is 49 times 7 power 2k plus 1, then plus 1. 49 is a sum of 48 and 1. That is to say, we have 48 plus 1 into 7 power 2k plus 1, then plus 1 here. This is the same as 48 times, let's have this times this, 7 power 2k plus 1 plus this here, it's 7 power 2k plus 1, then plus 1. Okay, I want you to have a look on this. This is totally similar to this. That is why, since this is divisible by 8, this must be divisible by 8 because they are the same. Okay, since this is divisible by 8, and here we have 49. All of this product is divisible by 8 because of this 49. We know that 49 can be divided by 8 to have 6. So this is also divisible by 8. As a conclusion, 7 power 2n plus 1 is divisible by 8 for n bigger or equal to 0. Thank you very much for watching.